दोस्तों, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल वी व्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं पार्टीशन फंक्शन, द रिलेशन बिटवीन पार्टीशन फंक्शन एंड एंट्रोपी। अकॉर्डिंग टू मैक्सवेल बोल्ट्जमैन स्टैटिस्टिक्स, एन1 इक्वल टू जी आई ई पावर अल्फा प्लस बीटा ई आई, एन आई इक्वल टू जी आई ई पावर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा ई आई, एन आई इक्वल टू जी आई ई पावर माइनस अल्फा ई पावर माइनस बीटा ई टी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फॉर ऑल पार्टिकल्स समेशन आई इक्वल टू 1 to n, एन आई इक्वल टू जी आई इक्वल टू 1 जी आई ई पावर माइनस अल्फा ई पावर माइनस बीटा ई आई, where n I is equal to n, capital N is equal to e power minus alpha summation g I e power minus beta e I is equal to 1 plus I is equal to 1. Let e power minus alpha is equal to a constant, n is equal to a summation g I e power minus beta e I, n upon a I is equal to 1 to summation g I e power minus beta I. By the partition function, particles are distributed in different energy state. Z is equal to I is equal to 1 summation g I e power minus beta e I, when beta is equal to 1 by kt. Z is equal to g infinity to infinite g e power minus e kt de. Z is equal to e power minus e kt g de. Nuclear energy state lie between E and E plus DE. GE is equal to 4 pi V upon H cube m power 3 by 2 2 e power 1 by 2 E DE. GED is equal to 4 root 2 pi V upon H cube m power 3 by 2 e power 1 by 2 DE. Ninth question, using question 9 into third, z is equal to minus infinite to infinite integral e power minus t upon kt GED. Z is equal to minus infinite to infinite e power minus k upon k1 upon kt 4 root 2 v pi v upon h square m1 e power 3 by 2 d 1 by 2. Z equal to 4 root 2 h nu hv upon h square m power 3 by 2 minus infinite to infinite e power minus e upon kt e power 1 by 2 d. Z equal to 4 root 2 hv upon h square m power 3 by 2 minus infinite to infinite e power minus e upon kt e power 1 by 2 d. Z equal to 4 root 2 hv upon h cube m power 3 by 2 root pi into kt pi power 3 by 2 upon 2. Z is equal to 2 का क्यूब h का 3 by 2 m power 3 by 2 kt power 3 by 2 v upon h cube v. Z is equal to v upon h cube 2 pi m kt upon power 3 by 2. This is a required relation for partition function. Relation between partition function z and entropy s. Entropy s equal to k log ohm. We take in the place of omega s equal to k log p. Total probability p is equal to permutation n I is equal to 1 to k g I n I upon n I. Total probability. Taking log on both sides, log p is equal to log n plus I power minus 1 to k log g I n I or n I minus log n I. Using Stell approximation, log n equal to n log n minus n. Log n I is equal to n I log n I minus n1 n I. Putting in equation 4, log p is equal to n log n minus n, j is equal to 1 plus j is equal to 1 to k n I log g I minus n I log g n I minus n I. Log p is equal to n log n minus n, I is equal to 1 to r n I log I minus n I log n I. I is equal to 1 to log k n I e I is equal to e total energy, capital E. Log p is equal to n log z plus e by kt, where n upon a partitional function. Entropy s is equal to k log p. K is equal to n k n log z plus e by kt. Statistics, thermodynamic, molecular partition function, translational, rotational, vibrational, and electronic molecular partition functions. It is sum of translational, rotational, vibrational, and electronic component. Total energy E I is equal to E T plus E R E plus E V E. Statics weight factor. It is the product of translation, rotational, vibrational, and electronic components such as that. Total statistical weight factors G I is equal to G I power G R G B into G. Partition function is given by Q is equal to summation G I power minus C I on KT. Q is equal to summation GT in cross GR into GB into G e power minus ET ER plus EB ET on KT. 4 equation. GQ is equal to summation GT e power minus ET upon KT GR e power minus ER KT into GB e power minus EB into KT GE e power E minus KT. Q is equal to QT, Q2R, QB and QE cross E. Translational energy ET is equal to N square H square upon 8 ml square GT is equal to 1. Rotational energy ER is equal to JJ plus 1 H square 8 pi I is 8 pi square I GR is equal to 2J plus 1. Vibrational EB is equal to V plus 1 by 2 H nu GB is equal to 1. Electronic E is equal to E naught upon N square E is HC mu 1 GR is equal to 2J plus 1. J is equal to 2L plus 1. Translation particle function translation degree of freedom 3. Qt is equal to Qtx, Qty, Qtz. Q is equal to Q translation Q rotation. PQ electronic Q translation to root 2 pi mkt upon L upon H psi x psi y psi z. Q translation equal to GTX, GTY, GTZ root 2 m pi mkt upon H ln root 2 mkt upon H mu I L2 upon H. Q translation equal to 2 root 2 pi mkt upon H power 3 by 2 V. Q translation equal to 2 pi mkt power 3 by 2 upon H Q V. Q translation equal to 2 pi mkt upon H into length. Length is equal to H upon root 2 pi mkt. Thermal wavelength lambda is equal to H upon root 2 pi mkt. Power system primary transmission step up step down, secondary transmission step down, primary distribution substation. Phase diagram of water and CO2 solid liquid liquid solid liquid gas vaporization gas liquid condensation solid to gas sublimation gas solid deposition. फिर डायग्राम ऑफ H2O ये दोस्तों बना हुआ है. केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट के आई स्टेबल के पी एंड के सी ए इज रिवर्सिबल ए टू बी रेट एफ इक्वल टू ए रेट आर एफ इक्वल टू 10 कार्स पर आवर आर इक्वल 10 कार्स पर आवर. टाइम इक्विलिब्रियम कंसंट्रेशन रेट इक्वल टू K1A अपॉन आर इक्वल टू K1B ए इक्वल टू अरे के इक्वल टू K1 माइनस ए के इक्वल टू बी अपॉन ए के ए अपॉन ए K1 इक्वल टू K1B अपॉन K1A के इक्वल टू K1 अपॉन K माइनस ए इक्वल टू बी अपॉन ए. N2 प्लस 3 H2 रिवर्सिबल 2NH3 JA प्लस KB इक्वल टू LC प्लस MD के इक्विवेलेंट C पावर L D पावर M 1 पावर A B पावर B KC छोटो NH3 का होल पावर कोफिशिएंट पावर 2 N2 पावर 1 H2 पावर कोफिशिएंट 3 इक्वल टू PNH3 PN2 प्लस H2 KR के इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट N2 प्लस 3 Cl2 2NCl KCl equal to CRT Kp equal to KCRT called the Danieli-Chatelier principle. If you induce a stress on a system equilibrium, the equilibrium will shift as to relieve that stress. Solve changing concentration, change of temperature, exo-indo, changing volume, pressure, compression, H2L, H2 gas, O2 gas, equilibrium delta is equal to where will the equilibrium state shifts it when it which more H2 is added left H2 O2 is removed right store O2 the temperature increases right or thermic heat is reacted the volume is reduced left reduce mole of the gas to relieve excess pressure. Application of law of mass action of mass formation of HI H2 plus I2 equal to 2 HI initial में A B 0 after equilibrium A minus x B minus x 2x according to law of action mass K is equal to HI whole square H2 upon I2 H2 is equal to Q minus x upon B I2 is equal to B minus x upon H2 is equal to 2x upon B is equal to K is equal to 4x square upon A minus x upon B minus x. ये क्वेश्चन देखिए तो फॉर्मेशन आप स्टर CH3 COO C2H5 OH इथेनॉल रिवर्सिबल इरिवर्सल रिएक्शन CH3 COO C2H5 प्लस H2 इनिशियल में A B 0 0 आफ्टर फाइनल इक्विलिब्रियम A माइनस एक्स B माइनस एक्स x CH3 COOH A माइनस एक्स अपॉन B C2H5 OH A B माइनस एक्स अपॉन B CH3 COOH x upon B CH2 x upon B according to law of mass action K is equal to CH3 COO C2H5 H2O CH upon CH3 COOH C2H5 O11 x upon B into x बी ए माइनस एक्स अपॉन बी इंटू बी माइनस एक्स अपॉन बी ए सी टी कंडीशन डिसोसिएशन ऑफ PCl5 PCl3 plus Cl2 involuntary initial A 0 0 final A minus x PCl5 equal to A minus x upon B PCl3 equal to x upon B Cl2 x upon B according to law of mass action K equal to PCl3 Cl2 PCl5 x upon B into cross x upon B A minus x into B K equal to x square upon B minus A minus x. Association of phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 PCl3 Cl2 phosphorus pentachloride reactant number of mole equal to product number of mole equal to 2 in Fr increase in the number of moles solution when the pressure increase the related per P increase in number of moles decrease backward RH flavors when temperature increases delta H equal to positive endothermic and dissociation of phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 Cl PCl3 Cl2 1 minus alpha is the degree of dissociation of PCl5 equilibrium 1 minus alpha mole of PCl5 alpha mole of PCl3 or mole of Cl2 total number of moles 1 minus alpha plus alpha equal to 1 plus alpha P the total equilibrium pressure PCl5 equal to P alpha P upon 1 plus alpha PCl3 equal to alpha P upon 1 plus alpha PCl2 is alpha P 1 alpha Kp is equal to PCl3 PCl2 PCl5 Kp is equal to alpha P upon 1 plus alpha alpha P upon 1 alpha alpha 1 minus alpha P upon 1 plus alpha Kp is equal to alpha square P square when multiply 1 plus alpha square 1 minus alpha P Kp is equal to A square P H plus 1 plus alpha 1 minus alpha is less than greater than minus 1 1 तो Kp इक्वल टू एम स्क्वायर पी Kp अपॉन एम स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एम स्क्वायर एम इक्वल टू एन बाई पी पावर 1/2 रिलेशन बिटवीन Kp एंड Kc Kp इक्वल टू Kc RT पावर डेल्टा एंड बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन से 2CuCl plus SO2 Fe2 SO3 O3 S plus StSO2 H3 Fe plus H2 Fe3 O4 plus 4 H2 A equal to 2C B equal to D 2B equal to 3C plus 2D 3CuO plus 2NH3 3Cu plus N2 plus 3H2 Al2SO4 O3 plus BaCl2 AlCl3 plus BS4 2A equal to C 3A equal to D B equal to D 2B equal to 3C. Reaction. How to calculate the rate of reaction? Rate equal to the speed at which the reactions are used up to form product and 2 plus 3H2 2NH3 very fast reaction. Fast reaction reactant are ionic moderate reaction, very slow reaction, rusting of iron, formation of water appearance and disappearance. Concentrated mole for a T. For B, concentrated mole T. Concentration mole inverse for C. T. The rate of concentration of a particular reactant to decrease with the passage of time. Rate of appearance. The rate of concentration of particular product to increase with passage of time. Average rate of reaction से instantaneous rate of reaction plus 3s2 2ns3 part first average equal to delta n2 upon delta t minus delta s2 upon 3 delta t minus equal to delta ns3 upon 2 delta t rate of disappearance equal to delta s2 upon delta t instantaneous rate of reaction n2 plus 3s2 2ns3 in ROR minus dn2 upon dt minus equal to minus ds2 upon dt equal to dns3 upon dt relation between average rate of reaction in ROR a graphical 2a plus 3 equal to 4 a slope of pq instantaneous slope of pq equal to tan theta plus dc upon dt ROA. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।